Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 3 Series front bumper, updated. Start by lifting the hood and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Next, remove screws and plastic clips along the wheel wells and lower valance, keeping parts organized. Work both sides symmetrically to avoid alignment problems and mark any electrical connectors before unplugging them for a smooth reinstallation. Use comfortable, steady motions when working in the wheel well to avoid stripped heads or broken clips. Loosen the inner fender fasteners with a 10 mm socket and carefully pry out plastic rivets using a flat trim tool. Fold back the liner enough to access the lower bumper bolts and repeat on the other side for balanced removal. Keep fasteners paired and labeled so reinstalling is quick and accurate without guessing locations. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make toolbox lunches less messy and keep sauces from ruining rags or work gear. Plus, they stack neatly in the trunk during parts runs. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With an assistant holding the bumper, carefully remove the final bolts along the top and center of the fascia. Slowly pull the bumper straight outward to disengage side clips while watching for any remaining wiring or trap tabs. If resistance occurs, double-check for hidden fasteners or clips you may have missed. Set the bumper on padded surface to prevent scratches and inspect clips for damage before beginning reassembly to ensure a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.